Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, today we will start a new lesson, that is Mowgli is King. Okay? So that is lesson 4 from your English reader. So before starting this, let's do some activity. Now children, here two set of pictures are given. So what are that? Yes, here Mowgli. I hope all of you know this name, right? Yes. And in the second set it is given City Boy. Okay, now Mowgli, here you can see both of them are doing some things, right? And how they are different you have to tell. So he is Mowgli. Now he is swinging from trees. This boy is studying. He is drinking water from the river or pond, right? But this boy, City Boy, is drinking water from glass. Here he is eating the fruits that are available in the jungle, and he is playing with the wild animals. But here this boy is eating whatever the food mother cooks, and he is playing with his friends. Right? So that is the difference. You observe this. Now another activity is here in page number 44. And what is that? Yes. You have to write a name of one animal beginning with each letter. That is A for ant, B for bear. You can write anything here. Okay. B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. So similarly you have to write animals with the particular whatever the alphabets here given from A to Z. Okay. Some of the animals are given like iguana, I for iguana, U for umbrella bird, X for X-ray face. These are given, right? So except that you have to write all starting with the particular alphabet that is given. Okay. Next is what? Here some jumbled words. What do you mean by jumbled words? Yes, that means some words are not in order. So loba fuff. So here you can write the name buffalo, right? Similarly, this one bear, B-E-A-R. So correct the spelling and write here the place given. Okay. Now moving to the story, you can see here. Once upon a time, what happened? In a jungle, there lived an angry tiger. Normally, tigers are angry only, right? Yes. What happened? One day, the tiger saw a baby boy. Can a baby boy live in the jungle? No, right? But there was one boy. The tiger did not like man's babies. He said, "This is a jungle. You cannot stay here." He said to this baby. You can see here. He is the baby, and this angry tiger is saying that you cannot live in this jungle. Then what happened? Then some wolves came that way. You can see the wolves. They saw the baby boy. They chased the tiger away. Okay? They said to each other, "We will look after this boy." Both the wolves, they wanted to take care of this baby boy. The baby boy stayed with the wolves. They loved him a lot. They named him, yes, Mowgli. Okay, children, the wolves named that baby boy Mowgli. Then what happened? One afternoon, Panther came to visit the wolves. The panther saw Mowgli and asked, "Who is he?" Then the wolf said, "He is our son." Can a man baby can be a son of wolves? No, right? But they say it like that because they only brought up that boy, right? Yes. So Mowgli grew strong. He was not afraid of the wild animals. Why? Because he was living along with the wild animals. So he was not afraid of the animals. Then one day what happened? One day when he was playing with a bear, the angry tiger came that way again. Now he has grown up. Okay. Then don't be afraid, said Mowgli to the bear. The tiger was not hungry then. He walked away. Okay, at the time the tiger was not hungry. So that's why he did not do anything. Now one morning some monkeys saw Mowgli. They said, "We want Mowgli to be with us." We want Mowgli to be with us. They also wanted to play with Mowgli. They tried to pull Mowgli and take him away. There were many monkeys and Mowgli could not fight with them. Okay. He shouted, "Help, help," like this. You can see here. Someone please help me. The panther came that way. He helped Mowgli. Okay. Then panther came and helped Mowgli and saved from the monkeys. Now next what happened? A huge snake called Kaa also came to help Mowgli. When the monkeys saw Kaa, he hissed at them. They ran away. What is the sound of snake? Yes, snakes hiss, right? So with the hiss, they ran away. Now Mowgli had many friends in the jungle. Okay. One day the tiger came to Mowgli and said, "You are not a little boy now. Leave the jungle at once." Now the tiger said that you leave the jungle because you human beings cannot live in jungle, the tiger said. Now Mowgli was clever. He got a torch. When the tiger saw the flames, he ran away. Okay. The wolf said to Mowgli, "We want you to be safe. You must go away from the jungle now." The wolves, those wolves who protected Mowgli till now, they said that we want you to be safe. So you must now go away from the jungle or else this tiger will harm you. Then what happened? Mowgli went to a village, nearby village, okay? He met people. Till that time he never seen people also. He was just in the jungle only, right? Yes. He learned how people lived and started to live like them. Okay, after meeting with people in that village, he also learned how to live. Okay, and he started to live like them. But he liked the jungle more, children. Okay, Mowgli had a herd of buffaloes. Okay, so then when he saw villagers are having the buffaloes, he also had a herd of buffaloes. Herd means a large group of, means many. Okay, they were strong. One day the tiger came for Mowgli again. Mowgli sat on a buffalo and called his herd. The buffaloes chased after the tiger and they then ran over him. The tiger died. Okay, because so many buffaloes were there, they all ran over the tiger. So that's why you can see here, the tiger died. Then what happened? All the other animals said to Mowgli, "You are so strong. We want you to be our king." Okay, children, because Mowgli brought up in the jungle, he was very strong and he was never afraid to the wild animals like what tiger or wolves or panthers. So that's why he was very strong. So that's why what they all said, all the other animals in the jungle, they said that you are very strong. We want you to be our king. So Mowgli lived happily with the animals ever after. Why? Because he loved jungle more than the village, right? And he also wanted to go back to jungle. But because of the tiger, he was not able to go. And after the tiger died, he went to the jungle. And because of the animals, he became the king of the jungle. So this is the story adapted from Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, which is very famous. And I hope all of you have seen this Mowgli in TV cartoon also, right? So this particular story is from The Jungle Book. So children, I hope all of you have enjoyed this Mowgli is King. So in the next class, we will discuss the question answers. And children, I will send you the new words of this lesson. Please copy that in your classwork.